Hey everyone, if you are new to video editing or just downloaded CapCut on your phone, this video is for you. I will walk you through a complete beginner-friendly edit using CapCut, from importing clips to adding music, text transitions and exporting your final video. Let's get started. Step 1. Starting a new project. Alright, open up CapCut and on the home screen tap on New Project. This will open your gallery. Now select the video clips or photos you want to use. You can pick multiple files at once. Once you are done, tap Add at the bottom right. Now you will see a timeline at the bottom. That's where you will be doing all your editing. Each clip is shown in order and you can scroll sideways to see more. Step 2. Trimming, splitting and rearranging clips. Let's clean up the video first. Tap on a clip. This brings up the editing options below. To trim the clip, just drag the white handles from the start or end. This removes unwanted parts. If you want to cut the clip in half, like splitting it where you made a mistake or want to insert something, tap on the clip, move the white playhead to where you want to cut and press split. Now you can delete or move that part separately. To rearrange, tap and hold a clip, then drag it left or right to reposition it in your timeline. Next, step 3. Adding music or voiceover. Next up, let's add some music. Tap on audio at the bottom, then go to sounds. You will find tons of free music here, or you can import your own track too. To add it, just tap the download icon next to the track, then press the plus button. The music will appear below your video clips. Want to add a voiceover? Tap voiceover, hold the record button and start speaking. It will record directly onto your timeline. Step 4. Adding text and captions. Let's add some text now. Tap text, then add text. Type whatever you want, maybe an intro like my day at the beach. Now customize it. Change the font, color, animation and even background if you want. You can also resize and move it anywhere on the screen just by dragging. For captions, repeat the same steps. Add text at the right part of your video and make it appear for only a few seconds using the trimming handles. Step 5. Using effects and transitions. Want to make your video more exciting? Tap effects. You have got video effects that apply to the whole clip, like glitch, blur, sparkles, etc. Just tap to apply and adjust how long it stays on. Now let's add transitions between clips. Tap the small white square between two clips. That's where transitions go. Choose from options like fade, slide or zoom. This helps your video flow better. Step 6. Adjusting speed and filters. Need to speed something up or slow it down? Tap the clip, then choose speed. You can select normal speed to slow down or fast forwards, or go into curve mode for more advanced speed changes. And finally, filters. Tap on filters, scroll through styles like retro, cinematic, food and so on. Tap on to preview and adjust the strength with the slider. Step 7. Exporting your video. Once you are happy with the edit, tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. That's the export button. You can set the resolution to 180p or 4K and the frame rate if needed. Tap export and it will save straight to your phone's gallery. And that's it, you have just made a complete video on your phone using CapCut. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share or follow for more easy editing tutorials. See you in the next one.